Okay, let's see how long it holds. Was able to get the glue and the piece that was glued on off with the chisel and just hand do it. Be careful so you don't stab yourself. Keep your other hand back. And then after cleaning it off, I made 2 layers of aluminum. And then I started with the smaller screws, the shorter screws, but they didn't seem to be like really grabbing as good as I thought they should. So I switched over to the roofing screws that were 1 inch. And I left the tops on, the rubber and everything, to keep them a little bit on the shorter side because they do stick through a little bit, but there's clearance underneath there. I can feel it over here. It's just poking through just a touch. So that should be good. They're okay because there's clearance under there anyways. And the spring looks pretty straight. So I think it's ready for use. And I don't think it's going to break. The break was right here. I don't think it's going to break. I think it's going to hold up. 2 layers of fairly thick aluminum, like a 0.03 maybe. The only thing that I didn't like is it doesn't want to sit straight, you know, with adding that on the bottom, but it's more of aesthetics. It's in the woods I would lay it down the other way anyways, like this. So it's only when I'm putting it on the shelf for storage. Okay. I think we're might just clean it up a little bit, but I think that's all I plan on doing to it for now. And check the air filter. I thought maybe I'd check the gas filter. It seemed to like dog a little bit sometimes, but it's not a real big saw though either. But it's not a bad size. It's kind of light and works well. I was able to cut some big stuff with it. Okay, on to our next task.